Alright, let's replace the trunk struts on your Mazda 3. There are two of them, one over there and the second one over there. Exact same process for both of them. You will need a small flathead screwdriver to replace these trunk struts, right? Something like that, a small one, in order to pry out those two spring clips over there. So get the screwdriver and use that to pry the spring clip off just a little bit. Okay, we're not going to just get it off completely, just a little bit, right? It's a spring clip, so be careful. When you're doing so, just keep one thumb on it so it doesn't just fly off completely, right? So get the spring clip off like that. Let's do it for the other end over there. And now grab the strut, twist it a little bit, push the trunk a little bit, and then you should be able to just get it out easily, like that. Now, for some reason, if the clip goes back in, that's okay, happens. Grab it and pull it out like that. Now you've got the strut off. Now once you have the new strut, or if you just want to check your existing strut, try pressing it with your hands. If it's a good strut, then you should not be able to sort of compress it. If it's a bad one, then you will be able to, but if it's good, then you should not be able to compress it because it's under a lot of pressure, right? So now get the new one, put the thin end on the bottom, the thicker end on the top over there, with the springs obviously pulled out. That's the only way you'll be able to get it on. So get the strut on, get it in position. Now let's put the clips back in its position over there. Let's get a closer look for the top end. Right, use a screwdriver to push it in, or just get it in place and then just use your thumb to sort of push it down. Be careful to not get your finger or thumb trapped in the middle. So it's a spring clip, but yeah, that's how easy it was. Just a couple clips and you're done.